Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing memory and how we can improve it. Memory is an essential aspect of our lives, and having a good memory can benefit us in many ways. However, memory can be affected by various factors, such as aging, stress, and lifestyle habits. In this video, we'll discuss how we can help people improve their memory, 5 ways to improve memory, and some lifestyle habits that can make your memory worse. Part 1. How can we help people improve their memory? Memory is a complex process that involves the brain's ability to encode, store, and retrieve information. There are various ways we can help people improve their memory, including encouraging regular exercise. Exercise has been shown to increase the production of new brain cells and improve brain function, including memory. Promoting good sleep hygiene. Sleep plays a vital role in consolidating memories, and lack of sleep can negatively impact memory. Encouraging a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes brain-boosting foods such as omega-3 fatty acids, fruits, and vegetables can improve memory. Providing cognitive training. Cognitive training activities, such as memory games and puzzles, can help improve memory and cognitive function. Encouraging stress reduction techniques. Stress can negatively impact memory, so promoting stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness and relaxation can be helpful. Part 2. 5 ways to improve your memory. Now that we've discussed how we can help people improve their memory, let's dive into 5 ways to improve your memory. Repetition. Repetition is one of the most effective ways to improve memory. Repeating information over and over again can help you remember it better. Association. Associating new information with something you already know can help you remember it better. For example, associating a name with a visual image or a location can make it easier to remember. Chunking. Chunking is breaking up large amounts of information into smaller, more manageable pieces. This can make it easier to remember information. Visualization. Visualization involves creating a mental image of the information you're trying to remember. This can make the information more memorable and easier to recall. Practice. Practice makes perfect, and the same goes for memory. Regularly practicing memory exercises and techniques can improve your memory over time. Part 3. Lifestyle habits that can make your memory worse. While there are many ways to improve your memory, some lifestyle habits can make it worse. Here are a few examples. Lack of sleep. As mentioned earlier, sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation. Lack of sleep can negatively impact memory. Poor diet. Eating an unhealthy diet that's high in sugar and processed foods can negatively impact brain function and memory. Chronic stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on the brain and memory. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle can negatively impact brain function and memory. Alcohol and drug use. Alcohol and drug use can have a negative impact on memory and brain function, especially in the long term. Conclusion. In conclusion, memory is a crucial aspect of our lives, and there are various ways we can improve it. Encouraging regular exercise, promoting good sleep hygiene, and providing cognitive training are all effective ways to improve memory. Additionally, repetition, association, chunking, visualization, and practice are all effective memory techniques. However, some lifestyle habits can make your memory worse, such as lack of sleep, poor diet, chronic stress, lack of physical activity, and alcohol and drug use. By adopting healthy habits and practicing memory techniques, you can improve your memory and enhance your quality of life.